To set your screen resolution to suit the Alice box, you might need to zoom out on your settings. So if you press the cog button, then you look for systems, and then you'll get this display. So at the minute you'll see that it's set to 125 recommended. So if we drop that down to 100, you'll then see that you get more on the screen. And if you zoom back in again, it goes and you won't see as much, so you'll probably be missing the buttons are red and the green lights that flash on and off on Alice. You might find yourself having to scroll around, so just simply drop back down to 100. So to run through that again, so when you're on your home screen, press the little cog, go into system, and on the display tab you'll find this option to adjust it, and you want it to be on 100%.